Hi, welcome to Modern Marvels again. Here is the second instalment of the 3D printed Land Rover. We've made a start on the body panels. From there it doesn't look too bad, but here are some close-ups showing the difference between the Prusa sliced parts and the cura sliced parts. So we've spent sort of the week printing, reprinting, and I think I've got it narrowed down now to what we're after to get a good quality. Because as you can see on this picture, there's sort of artifacts growing up on the cura sliced parts. So we're going to reprint them all with the Prusa slicer and see if there's any improvement. Here's a quick time lapse of one of the parts being printed. So we'll reprint these body parts and hopefully get a nice finish on them, and then it's on to the gearbox for part 3. See you again soon, stay tuned, don't forget to subscribe. Bye!